Hi, I'm Steve Bourie, author of the American Casino Guide book.
And I'm Matt Bourie. I'm the editor of the American Casino Guide book. And if you're not familiar with us, please be sure to visit our website at americancasinoguidebook.com.
You know, a lot of times people ask us, what is our favorite game to play? And we always give the same answer. It's video poker. And why do we like video poker so much? Well, actually, there's a few reasons why we think this is the best game to play.
And it would be kind of hard to explain all those reasons in one video. So what we're going to do is we're going to break this down into a 4-part series. We're calling that the 4 secrets to win at video poker. In part 1, we'll explain how video poker differs from playing slot machines and why it is such a better game.
In part 2, we are going to teach you how to go into a casino and find the best paying video poker machines by looking at the pay tables. And in part 3, we are going to teach you how to be an expert and make the expert plays whenever you play video poker.
And then finally, in part 4, we're going to teach you how to find the best players clubs to give you the most benefits for the video poker play that you're giving these casinos. So you ready to learn all about video poker? Let's get started.
So the first secret to winning at video poker is understanding why video poker is a much better game to play than slot machines. First of all, with slot machines, you're relying purely on luck to win. You have no control over the outcome. You push the button, keep your fingers crossed, and hope you get a winning combination. There's nothing you can do really to control the outcome. But with video poker, there is an element of skill to the game. So if you're a skilled player, you can do better than someone who sits there and guesses how to play their hands. And just like in blackjack, there's a basic strategy, and there's always only one mathematically correct way to play any given hand.
Second, with a slot machine, you never know what it's set to pay back to the public, but with video poker, there's a very easy way to tell exactly what the payback is set to on that machine. With a slot machine, if the manufacturer wants to lower the payback on the game, they just program in more losing combinations. And if they want to raise the payback on the game, they simply raise the number of winning combinations. Video poker, however, is a little different because it has to be based on the odds of a normal deck of cards, and the casinos are not allowed to change that. There are exactly 2,598,960 unique poker hands that can be dealt from one 52-card deck, and the casinos cannot alter that. So if you want to change the payback of the game, the casino has to change the amount of money that they're paying you for each of the winning hands, and this can be seen right on the machine. So all you have to do is look at that pay table, and you can tell exactly what a video poker machine is set to pay back to the public.
Now, we're going to get into how to read a video poker pay table in part 2, but for now, let's just say there are some standard pay tables to look for when you play video poker. And it's really not that hard to go into a casino and easily find the best paying pay tables. And finally, video poker machines in general are always set to give higher payback percentages than slot machines. Let's take a look at penny slots, which are the most popular slots in casinos today.
So we publish information on our website, americancasinoguidebook.com, about slot machine payback statistics at all U.S. casinos. And if you take a look there, you'll see that the average return on a penny slot machine is down around 89%. When you learn more about reading a video poker pay table, you'll see that most video poker games return at least 96%, and you can even find some games that return more than 100%. So how can a machine return more than 100%? Well, you got to remember, it's a game of skill. So even though it's over 100%, that's with perfect basic strategy. And casinos know a vast majority of the public is not going to be able to play these games perfectly.
And the final reason we like video poker so much is because it's actually a beatable game. Just as there are professional blackjack players, there are also professional video poker players. The people are able to make money by knowing how to play the game perfectly, only playing the highest paying machines, and combining the benefits they get from the players' clubs to play with a mathematical advantage over the casinos. In part 4, we'll explain more on how to use players' club benefits to gain an edge over a casino. And it can't be done at every casino, but there are some places that it can work if you know how to calculate all the benefits that you're getting for your play.
And now we're not saying you're going to go run out after this video and be a professional video poker player yourself. But if you move away from playing slot machines and learn to play video poker, you'll find that in the long run, it's the best possible way for you to get the most value for your money when you play in a casino. For more detailed information on video poker, please be sure to visit our website, AmericanCasinoGuidebook.com. Click on the top where it says How to Play, and then click on How to Play Video Poker. That'll bring up a whole series of articles and videos that we've already done on how to make you a better video poker player. So if you're ready to learn some more, be sure to watch part 2, where we'll show you how to find the highest paying video poker machines in any casino. All right, so that does it for part 1 on our secrets on how to become a better video poker player. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell and turn on all notifications so you never miss any of our other great videos.
Yeah, thanks again for watching, and best wishes for good luck in the casinos.